Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to lock your Shopify store, which is useful if you want to limit access before launching or while making changes to your site. Let's begin. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard using the link in the description. Once you are logged in on the left side, click on Online Store. A menu will expand. From this menu, select Preferences. Once you're in the Preferences section, scroll down until you see the Password Protection area. This is where you can restrict access to your store. To activate the password protection, check the box that says Restrict access to visitors with the password. After that, you'll need to enter a password. This is the password visitors will need to access your store. Make sure it's something secure but easy for those you want to give access to. Below the password field, there's an optional message box. Here, you can write a message that visitors will see when they land on your store's password page. For example, you could write, "Our site is currently under construction," or "Coming soon, stay tuned." Once you've set your password and added a message if you wish, scroll up and click Save to apply these changes. Now, your store is locked and only those with the password can access it. This is a handy way to control who can see your site while you're still working on it or before your official launch. Don't forget to click the link in the description to try Shopify for free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.